Hi everyone, today we are going to see the benefits of using Vobium Health Manager, a software to store and organize your family's medical records securely on your computer. Let us see different scenarios, like for example, if you are going to an emergency room and you don't know the place about it, then the doctor keeps on thinking that okay, what would be this person's medicines that he is taking, what would be his blood group, allergies and all that. Now you are not in a particular state to tell the doctor what is there. Now think of a scenario in which the doctor gets the emergency card out of your wallet and he knows all the details about it, like okay, what is your blood group, what is your medical history, the medications you are taking. Wouldn't that be great? The second scenario, like track and manage your health record. You go to a doctor and the doctor asks you, can you tell me what is your blood pressure and glucose readings for the past 1 year? Has it been going up and down? And you are like, okay, I'll be taking the readings, but I don't know the answer. It would be great, like if you can directly generate a chart out of it which can directly show you a historical records of your blood pressure and glucose readings, and you give it to a doctor and the doctor is like, wow, this is something I need. Like lot of times it happens at various homes that children keep on asking, can you tell me mother, when did my teeth erupt? Can you tell me when did I first start crawling and all that? And mother is like, okay, it might be maintained in one of those books, memory books. And I'm like, let me figure out where it is. It would be really great if all these things are captured and stored in a software. Vobium Health Manager provides that functionality, and the mom can directly log in and tell the child, okay, your first teeth erupted at the age of 3 months or something like that. Get your health information organized. Many times it happens that like you have all these reports piled up in big huge files and you are like, okay, I need this particular report to show to my doctor, and I'm like, okay, which file it is contained in? And you are like, okay, let me search it, or your parents report and all that. If the doctor says, can you get me that particular report of your father or a mother, and you are like, okay, I don't know. Vobium Health Manager provides a feature by which you can directly store all your reports and quickly search on the records and the reports and all that particular thing. At times you are traveling and you are like, okay, I need to send this report to my doctor who is traveling or to my family member who is a little bit away. And you are like, okay, how do I physically move it across? Vobium Health Manager provides a functionality to export the reports in different formats like PDF and Excel, and you can directly email those reports to the doctor directly. Lot of time it happens like busy working moms, they keep on forgetting, oh my god, I just forgot today was my child's vaccination, and she is like, what should I do? With Vobium Health Manager software, she will directly be getting all the updates on the dashboard telling her that okay, this is the appointment due. It gives you an update for last 7 days and she will never be able to miss any of the appointments. Lot of moms, like in their busy schedule, they keep on, like in the second pregnancy they might like, okay, what did I do in my last pregnancy? I had some similar symptoms. Which test I underwent? What was the medication I was taking? Doctor did prescribe me a particular diet, but which was it? I don't remember. With Vobium Health Manager, you can keep a track of all the pregnancies along with the tests that you did, the medications that you did, the therapies that you are doing at that particular time, and everything is at your fingertips. Carry your own medical emergency card anywhere you go. This is very useful for families who are going out on a trip or something. We normally don't carry our medical records with us, but with Vobium Health Manager, you can carry all your records in a USB or can send it to an email ID of yourself or take it in a printout format, and you are safe and sound in your international trips. Now what all, like Vobium Health Manager provides lots of things now. So what all things it captures? Like it captures like your common diseases, your conditions, your test and checkup, your medications, your therapies, your hospitalization, and a bunch of more. It caters to all the different age groups of people, right from the youngsters capturing their baby milestones, dental charts and all that, to the people, aged people, where it is capturing their tests and the medications and the therapies that they are undertaking, or the diet and meal plans and all that. So this is a whole range of, it's a complete solution which even tracks your doctor appointments, your emergency contacts and all these particular things. Along with that, it provides a bunch of other benefits also. It's not only about storing your information, but it's also going to create separate accounts for each of the family members. We have a very powerful feature of sharing and data privacy, by which individuals can keep some data which they are not comfortable with sharing with other people's private. They can carry the data anywhere, they can securely store the data on a computer. Emergency medical as well as donor cards can be generated, which can be kept in your wallet in types of emergency. You can attach documents, scan copies of your prescriptions, bills, whatever you need. You can back up and restore the data in case of issues. It provides an extremely friendly user interface by which you can directly do it's a very intuitive interface in which you can do lots of things related records. Like so far when you maintain the record in files, it is all in the file one below other in the sheets, printed sheets, but here you can see the relation that for a particular disease, what are the different doctor visits I did, what are the different medications I underwent, what was the diet I was eating when I was sick. So all this type of things can be exported and printed also and kept with you. Along with it, we have chipped in like calendar and contact also to manage your appointments, schedules, and lots of other things. Now, as you see, this software is great. To buy it, you can call us at our number or visit us at www.vobium.com. Thank you.